Today, we're diving into the IP Camera Tester IPC 5200 Plus by Wanlatech, a powerhouse tool for CCTV professionals. Sporting a vibrant 5.4-inch IPS touchscreen, this tester isn't just about display, it's packed with features. From IP discovery to on-VIF compatibility, it seamlessly integrates with various IP cameras, allowing for easy setup and modification of settings. It supports CVBS analog cameras and offers extensive PTZ control with RS-485, supporting over 30 protocols. But it doesn't stop there. The IPC 5200 Plus shines in testing HD analog cameras too. With support for up to 8 MP resolutions in TVI, CVI, AHD, and SDI formats, it automatically recognizes and displays video in stunning clarity. The ability to control OSD menus and coaxial PTZ makes it a versatile companion for adjusting camera settings on the fly. What about connectivity? It features HDMI and VGA inputs for 4K 30 FPS video playback, ensuring compatibility with modern CCTV setups. PoE functionality with up to 30W power output simplifies installation and maintenance, while the built-in 3,350 mAh battery keeps you powered on the go. Network tools like ping, IP scan, and DHCP server add utility, making it more than just a camera tester. It's a complete network diagnostic tool. The IPC 5200 Plus doesn't forget the basics either. It includes RJ45 cable TDR testing for assessing cable health, displaying crucial details like length and impedance. Plus, built-in Wi-Fi capability allows for wireless camera display and hotspot creation, enhancing flexibility in field operations. In conclusion, Wanlatech has crafted a comprehensive solution with the IPC 5200 Plus, catering to every aspect of CCTV and IP camera testing. Whether you're a seasoned technician or a novice installer, its intuitive interface and robust feature set make it a standout choice in the market. If you're serious about CCTV and IP camera installations, the IPC 5200 Plus deserves a place in your toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.